Hello everyone, I am Dr. Girish KJ. I welcome you to video tutorial on integrated government online training iGOT courses on COVID-19 pandemic in DIKSHA Platform. In this video tutorial, you will learn what is iGOT DIKSHA Platform, what is the intention behind creation of the courses, what are the available iGOT courses related to COVID-19, who can join these online courses. Then you will learn how to register and create account in iGOT website in desktop and also on DIKSHA Google app in Android mobile. You will learn how to search in iGOT courses in iGOT website and DIKSHA app and join the courses. What is the general structure and presentation of the courses? And at the last, what are the details of the modules of each course? DIKSHA, Digital Infrastructure for Knowledge Sharing, is the platform that offers teachers, students, and parents engaging learning material relevant to the prescribed school curriculum. In DIKSHA, iGOT courses for COVID-19 pandemic have been created. What is the intention behind creation of integrated government online training courses on COVID-19 pandemic? This is to encourage all COVID warriors, including Ayush fraternity, to register themselves on iGOT platform and undergo online training to effectively augment the resources in combating the COVID-19 pandemic. What are the available iGOT training courses related to COVID-19? In relation to basics, there is one course on basics of COVID-19 with reference to diagnosis, laboratory sample collection and testing. With reference to clinical management, there are four courses, namely Clinical Management COVID-19, ICU Care and Ventilation Management, Management of COVID-19 Cases, SARI, ARDS and Septic Shock, and at last, Psychological Care of Patient with COVID-19. With an aim to prevent, following three courses are offered in iGOT website. Infection Prevention through Personal Protection Equipment in Hindi. Second is Quarantine and Isolation. And at last, Infection Prevention and Control. Who can join these courses? Ayush doctors including UG and PG students, allopathic doctors, nurses, lab technicians, ANMs, hygiene workers, paramedics and volunteers can join and complete these courses. First in desktop, let us understand how to register and create account in iGOT website in web browser. In a browser, log on to igot.gov.in. This is the home page of iGOT website. Click on View Courses. Click on Login. To create a new account, click Register here. Enter your name, your mobile number, enter the password. Click. So you will receive a OTP that is sent to your mobile. Click Submit. After this, using your mobile number and password, log into the account. This is the home page of iGOT website. After login, the website will ask you about the board. Select iGOT Health, medium as English, click outside, class as, for example, Ayush Doctor, subject as Ayush. This will help to discover relevant content. You have to select Karnataka and Hassan as your place. In my case, it is. Then you have to click on the icon on the right side, click on Profile. It will show the details of the user ID, district, state, and the mobile number, and the board, medium, classes, and subject as shown. On the right hand side, these details can be changed. Next, let us learn how to search for iGOT courses in DIKSHA and join the course. After logging in, click on tab Training. In the search window, search for COVID in iGOT website. It shows available courses. For example, let me join a course Basic of COVID-19. Here is the training modules, clicking upon which you will get the details. Mostly the course is combination of slides and the video. Let me join the course by clicking Join Training. It takes a while for the course to load. Here is a combination of 10 slides. You can go through the slides. So you just completed introduction. You can go to the next section. So you can click on the relevant section. As I said, it's combination of slides and recorded video. This video is how is COVID-19 spread.
COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a
it.
new coronavirus introduced to humans for the first.
You can go to the next video on COVID myths and facts. Similarly, you can go to COVID response and containment measures. So in this way, you can complete the course You can take notes in between by clicking this. You have to put a subject for this and you can save. By this time, this slideshow got loaded. So in this way, you can complete the course one by one. In the home, you can see that there are two courses that is in progress. In similar way, you can complete all the courses. That's about searching the courses and joining and monitoring your course. Next, create an account, log in, and join a course in DIKSHA app in Android mobile to access iGOT courses on COVID-19. In Google Play Store, search for DIKSHA and install DIKSHA National Teachers Platform for India, which may take a while. After installation, click Open, select English. For example, I am selecting Teacher as a role. You have to grant access to camera, file manager, and microphone, like this. Next, you can select board as iGOT Health. Select medium as English. Select class as, for example, Ayush Doctor. Click Continue. It says profile is updated. If you have got a DIKSHA course QR code, you can scan it. Next, like in desktop version, you have to create the account. It will ask for your state and district. I have chosen my state and district. To create an account, enter full name, mobile number, password, confirm password, accept terms and condition, click on register. So you will receive an OTP. You have to enter the OTP and submit. Next, let us log in with the mobile number and the password. Here this screen shows the name, user ID, district and state which can be edited, followed by the phone number. You can add email address, board as iGOT Health, medium, class, and subject as Ayush. Like in the desktop, on the left hand side there is a library. There is facility to enter into the training area. Straight away, let us search for the available courses. Let me search COVID and we will get a list of all the available courses. For example, join to a course, ICU care and ventilation management. So you can read about the training information, and by clicking on training modules, you can get all the details about the course, rather modules of the course. Let me click on join training. So you have joined the training, the message is showing. You can start now. The first video is about admitting and managing COVID-19 patients in ICU. By clicking on this, the video starts playing. This video is about 5 minutes 57 seconds. It's about section 1.
Asked, and we've tried to answer as many as possible in those two webinars.
You can go through it
the same vein, we'll have the third webinar for more
convenience sake, let me click on back. Similarly, one by one, you can complete the course. You can go randomly also, or you can complete the course at your convenience. So it is essential that you complete all the courses so that you get really updated. This video is about 2 minutes 44 seconds. This is about routine ICU care guidelines.
ICU care is very important.
It's a recorded video.
Complications in this kind of.
So similarly, there are main 9 courses that is recommended by Government of India for Ayush fraternity to upgrade themselves as COVID warriors. Here you can see the list of training. So it shows the progress. Let's quickly go through about details of the modules of each courses. The first course is about basics of COVID-19. You can see the QR code being presented here along with all the modules. Second one is about diagnosis perspective, laboratory sample collection and testing with all the details of the training module. Clinical management related is about clinical management COVID-19. Then ICU care and ventilation management course, management of COVID-19 cases, including SARA, ARDS and septic shock. Last one in the clinical management is psychological care of patients with COVID-19. From preventive perspective, infection prevention through PPE, quarantine and isolation, infection prevention and control. So all these courses are recommended by Government of India to be completed by COVID warriors. I request all the Ayush fraternity to spread the information to all the Ayush practitioners, faculty members, students all across India so as to enable them to strengthen to fight the war against COVID. Thank you.